Cliff, I have some research to do at the office.
Yes.
But I'll be home in time for dinner.
Ooh, then I'll cook something for you.
Would you do that for me?
I'd be happy to.
What will you make?
I don't even know yet.
Will it be something I can recognize?
I hope.
I'll see you then.
Okay,
Goodbye, Elvin.
Goodbye, Mrs. Huxtable.
I'll go get Sandra for you.
Dr. Huxtable?
Yes, sir.
Your wife goes to work and you cook?
Right.
Well, doesn't it ever bother you that when you come home at night, there's not always a hot meal waiting for you?
Oh, no. Sometimes my wife comes home and there's no hot meal waiting for her. What's your point?
Well, I just feel it confuses things when a woman works. My mother works, and I don't like it. You know, sometimes when I come home, there's nothing to eat.
Well, are your hands broken?
I know how to cook.
Uh-huh.
But why should I when my mom's so good at it?
Darryl, what do you think about women working?
I'm all for it. As a matter of fact, my mother works.
Well, then in that case, I guess you don't get many hot meals cooked for you at home.
We always have hot meals at my house. Everybody takes turns cooking.
What would happen if your wife worked and you came home and there was no hot meal?
Well, I can cook for myself.
Say your wife is at home and you come home with the guys and there's no hot meal.
Well, that would be pretty inconsiderate. I mean, I would call first. That's what my father does with my mother, and she seems to appreciate it.
Was your father shorter than your mother? Okay, but now how about if you're married and you're home and your wife came home from her career job and she sat down next to you and she said, "Where's my dinner? And you better get it on this table right now." Now you're a man, right? Now what would you do?
Well, I guess I better do some pretty good cooking then.
How you doing, Elvin?
Hi, Dr. Huxtable.
All right.
Thanks for letting me in.
It's okay.
Hi, Mrs. Huxtable.
Hello, Elvin.
Is Sandra ready?
Well, not yet, but she'll be down in a little while. Would you and Dr. Huxtable like some coffee?
Coffee?
Yeah, coffee.
You mean you're gonna get it?
Yes? You're surprised?
I'm sorry, Mrs. Huxtable. I didn't think you did that kind of thing.
What kind of thing?
You know, serve.
Serve whom?
Serve him.
Oh, serve him! As in serve your man?
Well, yeah.
Let me tell you something, Elvin. You see, I am not serving Dr. Huxtable, okay?
Okay.
That's the kind of thing that goes on in a restaurant. Now, I'm going to bring him a cup of coffee just like he brought me a cup of coffee this morning. And that, young man, is what marriage is made of. It is give and take 50-50. And if you don't get it together and drop these macho attitudes, you are never going to have anybody bringing you anything, anywhere, any place, anytime, ever. Now, what would you like in your coffee?
Maybe I could get you some coffee.
Oh, well, that's all right. I don't mind getting it, but thanks for offering.
Elvin,
Yes, sir?
when she brings the coffee back, if I were you, I wouldn't drink it.